Hello. Some 12 days ago, or like 10 or 12 days ago, I was very nervous when I came to know about some little complications. That is when I came to know about Aparna madam, and she was very polite in the first conversation. It was not a face to face, rather over phone. So I told her, like, I'm very nervous for the baby is only 31 weeks and 2 or 4 days, and it's very difficult and I'm nervous. She told me there is nothing to feel nervous. We almost do it very regularly, and she was very confident that she can handle this. All we need to do is take care and follow their instructions. So as soon as the baby got delivered, like after 2 days of talking to her, the baby got delivered, and immediately we shifted the baby to the NICU unit. Uh, that is when I met Aparna madam again, and she told me like a estimated time of 2 weeks for the baby to become very fine. And during the entire period, I have been to the NICU, the facility and all, they are of all of top class. I have met Dr. Shriram also during the counseling sessions. He is extremely polite person and very helpful. He answers to all our queries, keeps us on ground and doesn't let us feel nervous. And with every passing day, the counseling sessions that we attend is something very different in this hospital, which keeps the patients not feeling nervous every day about what's happening, what's the growth. We get to know everything that happens every day, and in no time the 31 weeker baby also recovered and is very good now, and will be discharged possibly tomorrow. And we are very happy about the facilities of the hospital. Aparna madam is a very gentle person. She, in a extremely busy schedule, she somehow manages time to meet the patients, attend counseling, and it is very helpful to us. I'll just let the mother of the baby also have a few words.
Hi, we were worried about the baby, as my husband said, but the care that has been taken by the KIMS Hospital and Aparna Madam and the counseling sessions by Sriram sir, they were very helpful, and they have morally boosted our uh, us, so that the baby is not in very dangerous situation and all the stuff. We got to know that they are in the same safe hands from the day one, and they have been updating us regularly on the health conditions. They initially told us 14 days might be the discharge period, but the discharge has been way earlier than that because of the extreme care and every precaution that has been taken by the whole hospital unit. We thank Skims for their services and their polite nature.
So from both of us, it is a very big thanks to Aparna madam, Sriram sir and the entire team for keeping our baby safe, who was not very good a few weeks ago, and will be very glad and always remember this help and service of KIMS Hospital always, and will be grateful to the hospital ever.